Today I'm taking a look at the KEFEYA S2 triple screen extender. So it does come with a case. We do have a pocket in the front so we can keep all our cables. And here is the extender. This has the style that I like because this has a kickstand that can actually fold out and extend. So you can see it's got that little flag and you can put that in any slot that you want to make it the length that you need. So very handy little kickstand. It comes with a Velcro strap. And this has our multi-buttons right here on the top, one on each monitor. Has a nice carbon fiber look there on the back of the display, and we've got our 3 USB-C ports here on the back. That's nice. They included some packing foam on there. And we have another set of USB-C ports here on the other display. This is the style that I prefer in that it actually has a spring-style lock, so you can actually clamp that onto our laptop. We do have rubber feet here on the side. And we have a little clip here on the top that also has rubber padding on it, so we can set that on top to make sure it does not slide down. So good looking displays. Those are 14-inch and they do measure out 14 inches. We got our cables here in the bottom. So we got 2 USB-C to USB-C cables, and they both have that 90-degree angle on one end. Always nice to see, so that way we can clip those in. We don't have to worry about using our mouse real estate on a cable that's coming straight out of the side of the computer. We have 2 USB-C to HDMI cables, so if your laptop does not use USB-C for the video, but you do have HDMI ports, you can still use that screen extender with that laptop. Now, because they will require power, if you're going to be using the HDMI, we also have these cables. These are USB-C to USB-A. Or if we just don't want to have to worry about the battery running down on the laptop, we can supply power with that as well. It does come with an instruction manual. It says it's good for Windows, Mac, or Android. And it also comes with a quick start guide. So I got my USB-C to USB-C cable, and I'm going to plug that into port Type C1. And then on the other side, I'm going to do the exact same thing. This is a 17-inch laptop. And that is nice. So the spring is actually strong enough to hold both of those displays up. So that means as long as the hinge on the laptop is strong enough, we can actually hold all this up, which also means that I can put this on a little stand so I can help for the cooling for the laptop as well as having more real estate right here for my hands. So I'm going to plug that into the side. These are both Thunderbolt 3 ports. Did pick that up right away. And it did pick that up right away. Okay, so those look pretty good. Going to right click, go to display settings. We can see that this one is duplicating. I am going to extend, identify. So that is exactly how I want it. So now I can take this, I can drag it over to this screen, or over to this screen, play games here, watch movies there, do some work over there, or for productivity, I can do my work here. I can put the monitor over there, I can even watch something over there, or just like look up emails and that kind of thing. I usually go with a dual display, but having a triple display is just that much better. So overall, that is an excellent setup.